Ma'am, good morning, mates. Today is I report the global citizenship. And let me introduce myself. I'm Cadet Quintes to report. First is growing concept in today in connected world. It emphasizes the idea that individuals are not only member of their local national committees but also part of broader global society. Its mean the global citizenship is refers to understand the individual have both rights, rights and responsibilities as a member of the global community. It calls for active engagement in the global issue and respect the for universal human values such as diversity and sustainability in human rights, and also the responsibilities of global citizenship. One key of the responsibility of a global citizen is to respect diversity, acknowledging and involving the difference in cultures and identities and beliefs. A good global citizen respect the other culture and believe that they help protect the environment, support peace, and stand up for the right. They care about others' health and those needed a responsibility in a daily life. And academic foundation of the global citizenship is studied in a different school subject. In political science, it's all about global laws and leadership. And education teaches students how to understand, respect others and others through global citizens and education. In GCED, the physical it study in how people think, feel about world issue. This is the example of JCED, the major perspective of this JCED. There's five of main part of perspective of JCED. The political, social, cultural, and environmental and economic. Also, the political is learning about the global rights and responsibilities. And also the social, helping others in fighting for fairness, and the cultural is understanding and respecting the different tradition. Also nakakagisna na nato nga unsa nga tradition, like mga atong mga culture nga nang sinutan na to, like mga IPs. And the environmental is protecting the nature and the planet. Kinahanglan gyud nato na protect atong planet or kanang ani atong nature, kay kasagaran na to ron, kay kapamutlo naman nila ang mga kahoy, no. Also the economic, supporting fair and trade, reducing poverty. Masunod sa yung mga trade gikan sa laing nasod ba. O practical and next is the practical application of global citizenship. Global citizenship is not just territorial, it can be protected in global daily life, in for some reducing plastic use to protect the environment and shows responsibility towards the global sustainability, and individuals can also support the global cause, participate in international campaign and advocate for human rights. Kinahanglan ginato na kay aning mag-reduce ta gamit sa mga plastic ba, kay aron na dagan pati mga panglabay ninyo sa kanang sa dagat, makuha na sa mga isda, dili na maayo. Kinahanglan ginato i-protect atong environment. Kung kanang magpataka taglabay, malain pud gyud nang taon pod. Also, the global citizenship is national identity. There can be tension between national identity and the global citizens. A strong sense of promotion may something conflict with the global perspective. However, it's possible to be both patriotic in national and responsible in global citizen by supporting one's country while respecting the global values. Sometimes people think the global citizens might be against love in for country, but you can love your country but still care for the world. If you can be both Filipino or any national in good global citizenship. So next is challenges in criticism. Next is the challenges in criticism. Some people say global citizenship is hard to apply or too idyllic. Of others think not clear with what it really means. But even with challenges, it's still important because it helps people think about global peace and corruption. Next is challenger in criticism. Next is challenges in criticism. While global citizenship widely support the criticism, a view of the concept can be too dialect or ambiguous. Some believe lacks of clear information, changes and difficult to apply across different political cultural systems. For example, some people say global citizenship is too hard to apply to dialect, to others think not clear what this really means, but even challenges is still important because help people think about global peace and corruption. Kasagaran naman yun karon kay uso na kay ang kwan kanang mga kurap-kurap ba. Challenges and criticism. While global citizenship widely supported, critics argue while the concept can be too idyllic or ambiguous. Some believe in lacks clear implementation, changes in difficult apply across the different political or cultural system. Example, some people say global citizenship is too hard to apply dialect, so others think it's not clear with literally means, but even with challenges, it's still important because it helps people think about global peace and corruption. Next is the other role of education. The education plays cultural role in developing global citizenship. School can effectively but GCD by integrating global issue into curriculum, encouraging students to think critically, actually, and understand diversity perspective. Example, the education is very important to teach global citizenship. School can teach students be careful, respectfully caring, and aware of world problems in GEC. It helps students think critically and act kindly and become more responsibility citizen. Last is future importance. As a global citizens like climate change, internationally in migration, more complex of citizens will become increasingly important of GCED is can empower individuals to contribute the solution through awareness and empathy and collective action. Example, in the future of global citizenship will become even more important because of issues like climate change, equality, and immigration. If more people become global citizens, this world can become safer, fair, and more peaceful. And that's all. Thank you.